Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? All right, so 150,000K Bitcoin target? Let's have a look. Let's have a look, guys. Let's check it out. Let's look across the altcoin market. Kind of a mixed bag today. Pretty good, pretty good. I put out a poll earlier today and I asked, will Bitcoin close today red or green? And Bitcoin was red at the time. And the results of that were 55% of you guys voted green, 45 voted red, and we closed green. Absolutely fantastic, guys. Fantastic. All right, let's have a look across some altcoins here. Okay, so what are we looking at? Jasmine down 1.5% on the day, up 27% on the week, 34 on the month, and down 11.5 on the year. We're down one spot in rank to 78. An $817 million market cap, 71 million in volume. Swift Coin down 3% on the day, up 2% on the week, up 28.1 on the month, and 174% on the year. Down two spots in rank to 266. $140 million market cap, 5.42 million in volume. I know the volume might sound low on Swiftcoin, guys, but it's actually significantly higher than it was about a week and a half ago. We were looking at 1.34 million in volume. So volume is starting to pick up, guys, which is fantastic. Swiftcoin down 0.5%, or Swiftcoin, Onyx Coin, sorry, down 0.5% on the day, but up 14.5% on the week, 87.7 on the month, and 944 on the year. We're even in rank at 88, a $706 million market cap, 89 million in volume, and Zebek down 3.3 on the day, 6.6 on the week, even on the month, and 66 on the year. Down 11 spots in rank to 402 with a $74 million market cap, 11.85 million in volume. Let's go have a look at that. B3, Algorand, Sui. What else is having a good day? Fetch AI is having a great day. Look at that. Naka, Aerodrome, Stacks, Axelar. There's some good projects out there having a good day. It's more green than it is red today. A couple things are down. Supra's down. Supra might be a good DCA opportunity, actually. Songbird's down. So, yeah, kind of a mixed bag. But all in all, looking good, guys. Looking good, looking healthy. A little bit of a consolidation level, some accumulation. I buy that for $1. Let's freaking go. All right, let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart. Where did we close? All right, so we closed right at about just a hair under 94K. Right at 94K. We're sitting at 93.7 right now. Don't be surprised if we come back down here again, guys, and then wick back up. There seems to be a lot of buying pressure as we drop down towards that 92K level. It gets bought right back up again, right? Bulls are stepping in at that level, guys, and saying, you know what? We're going up. We're going to consolidate here. We're getting, not by much, but we are getting higher highs every day and higher lows, right? So that's good. That's good. So don't be surprised to see this daily candle today kind of come down a little bit. It wouldn't shock me. Tonight, this evening, we come down, end up wicking back up again. Wouldn't surprise me. So looking for that right now. If we do come down and retest 91K as a support level, but right now there's a lot of buying pressure. Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength right down here around that 92K level. So I don't think the bulls want it to come back down. I think they want to go up. I think next week's going to be even more bullish than this week, guys. I'm super excited. We're going into, what do we have left? 6 days left of the month? Less than a week, guys. Less than a week. So by the time we get to Monday, there's only going to be 3 days left of the week. So that's going to be pretty bullish. So couple of updates here. We'll get into the main story. Jasmy not on the delist list for Binance. So Jasmy did not get delisted. So that's good news. We continue to track the M2 money supply here. Check this out, man. Boom. We are, man, if we're following this trajectory right here, fantastic. Let's switch it over though. Let's switch it over to the 80-day again. Okay? Because there's been a lot of debate over the 80-day versus the 108-day, right? As you can see, check it out. See how correlated we are on the 80-day? If that's the case, we may see a little bit of a pullback around that 91, 90K level, and then boom, we take off yet again. So, continuing on. Sorry, I got a little distracted there. All right, so let's get into the main story. But first, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. Get yourself the biometric wallet or the Decent card wallet, the all-in-one card wallet, guys. The link is down below. Use our link, get a fantastic deal. Absolutely fantastic product, guys. I have 5 of them. I use them. You should use them. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. Right? Keep your crypto safe and off exchanges. All right, let's get over to the main event. What do we have? So Bitcoin hash rate surge points to 150K Bitcoin. Rising hash rate signals bullish momentum. Bitcoin's hash rate is climbing to unprecedented levels, and the price may soon follow. The phrase Bitcoin follows the hash rate is gaining traction once again, and the network's growing. Computational power signals strong miner confidence and long-term bullish sentiment. Historically, spikes in Bitcoin's hash rate have acted as leading indicators for major price movements. As more miners secure the network and invest in infrastructure, it's often a sign they expect BTC's value to rise significantly. With hash rates hitting fresh highs, many analysts and on-chain experts are setting their sights on a bold new target of $150,000. Why the hash rate matters. The hash rate represents a total computational power used to validate Bitcoin transactions and secure the network. A higher hash rate means greater network security, decentralization, and faith in Bitcoin's future. Miners typically don't commit massive capital to mining unless they believe in long-term price appreciation. With the hash rate at an all-time high, the message is clear. Smart money is bullish. This surge comes as Bitcoin has already broken past key resistance levels, suggesting the rally may be gaining a second wind, possibly towards 150 cheddars. Let's go, baby. Groceries, baby. Sprinkle some groceries in there. 150K, baby. While predicting exact price levels is never guaranteed, the confluence of rising hash rate ETF inflows and institutional adoption makes the $150,000 target look increasingly feasible. It would represent a new all-time high and a massive psychological milestone for the asset. As network strength increases, so too does investor confidence. Traders and holders alike now watching for the next breakout move, and if history is any guide, the hash rate may be pointing the way once again. Very, very bullish, guys. Listen, if you're looking for a place to get proper training and education in the crypto space, guys, get over to the Patreon. We are doing a lot of training over there. We are educating people on all things crypto, how to devise an exit strategy, where you should be taking profits, how to identify where liquidity is in the market. Because if you don't know how to identify liquidity in the market, your sell orders are not going to fill, okay? And you're going to walk away feeling like you got scammed when actually you didn't. You just didn't know how to identify where to put your sell orders, okay? Come on over, learn how to do that. We also give you proper tutorial training on key websites you're going to need to learn how to use as tools in your training to become a better trader and investor in this space. We drop educational videos, microcap gem videos. We're live every single day over there. You can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally, absolutely for free, guys. Get a second opinion on your portfolio structure. Make sure you're not over or under diversified or anything else. Make sure you're holding projects that are going to give you maximum ROI. and make sure you have an exit plan to get out of this space with your life-changing wealth intact, because if you don't have that, you don't have anything. And that's why you're here in the first place. So come on over, join the community, join the family. The chats are buzzing 24/7. One of the largest educational communities in crypto. Check it out for yourselves, guys. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.